O-asis is a secluded home with solar panels paired with a Tesla battery, integrating modern technology with nature and providing a peaceful retreat from urban life for a couple and their rescued dogs. At just 12.5 feet tall, O-asis sits discreetly within the desert landscape. Its facade is clad in white stucco with recessed niches made of IP wood. With an O-shaped floor plan, the 4,090-square-foot home is organized around a central courtyard. The couple's 2 dogs inspired the enclosed central courtyard. This open space not only offers a safe area for the animals, protecting them from desert predators, but also provides natural ventilation and indirect light to the home's interior. Designed for a pianist by Phoenix-based architecture firm The Ranch Mine, the minimalist design embraces the desert landscape while incorporating dedicated spaces for music. Walnut slats backed with acoustic felt-enhanced sound quality for the pianist homeowner, allowing music to flow through the home without the echoes common in contemporary houses. The courtyard, measuring 18 by 58 feet, also inspired the home's name due to its O-shaped layout, O-asis. Retractable glass walls and a high-performance thermal envelope with concrete floors ensure comfortable temperatures year-round, minimizing energy consumption in this fully solar-powered home. The house was designed to integrate modern living with the timeless beauty of music, sunlight, and the desert's flora and fauna. It serves as a retreat not only from the desert heat, but also from the trend of grand mansions with towering 30-foot ceilings. The pool breaks from the O-shaped plan, extending toward the desert and the mountains to the south. At its edge, a built-in concrete bench with a fire pit creates the perfect space to soak up the sun during the day or stargaze at night. The landscaping connects natural drainage and habitats, promoting biodiversity with native vegetation. A highlight is the rare century-old ironwood trees rescued from Phoenix. The house integrates into the Sonoran Desert without disrupting its ecological processes. The home includes an 860-square-foot suite for the homeowner's elderly parents, featuring a private entrance and outdoor area, allowing for complete autonomy when needed. Its strong horizontal form was designed as a datum line to highlight the dramatic contours of the surrounding landscape. Challenging conventions, the bedroom is reduced to the essentials, prioritizing a spa-like bathroom and a boutique-style closet. At the center, a skylit vanity island houses dual sinks, a makeup station, and a bench, while a limestone steam shower offers a relaxing retreat. At the opposite end of the house, a yoga room extends to the desert floor, with cork flooring providing a soft surface for practice.